Barbecuing and grilling is perhaps one of the best ways of bringing the family together. After all, who doesn't enjoy a good old family time with some good old fashioned barbecue? But is too much time on the grill depriving you from enjoying a bit more family time? Well then, let me introduce a simple, easy to use, inexpensive gadget that will allow you to enjoy a bit more family time. The digital thermometer. Today, I will discuss 5 reasons why you should own one of these little gadgets. Stay tuned.
Put some south in your mouth. This is Southbound Smoke.
Reason number one, keeping up with the time. Although mankind has had a love triangle of man, fire, and food for thousands of years, cooking and grilling have evolved quite a bit. The basic idea of grilling is the same, but methods have improved greatly. It's not necessary to reinvent the wheel, but there is also no need to stay in the Stone Age, when we have a great variety and immense amount of technology at our disposal. So, keep up with the newest gadgets, look into the latest product reviews, observe and talk to other fellow barbecuers. Keep moving forward. Number two, fast and accurate read. Ever have your family or company waiting for the food to be ready? I think we've all been there. Much of this boils down to the simple instrument. A digital thermometer will give you a faster and more accurate read than the old-fashioned thermometer. Why is fast and accurate important? Well, it cuts the grilling time shorter. Faster read means your grill is open for less time, thus letting less heat escape from your grill. Faster you close the lid, faster your grill or smoker can come up to temp again, and in turn make the grilling process or the smoking process a bit quicker. Reason number three, a better product. A good thermometer will aid you in delivering a better product to your family and friends. It allows you to quickly read the temperature of your meat so that they are not overcooked. No more cutting into the meat or chicken and letting all those juices flow out only to see if it's done. So many of us concentrate on using the thermometer when cooking, but you can also use it when the food is resting. It allows you to measure the internal temperature of the food and help you know when it's safe to cut or safe to serve, or if it just needs to be reheated. Reason number four, you can buy one of these things for as little as $7 and prices go up from there. Many of these come with power save, LCD displays, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Some of these even have timers on them. They have many cool features. So as soon as you can, like today or tomorrow, if you don't have one of these gadgets, go out and get one. Trust me, you'll enjoy it. Reason number five, work harder, not smarter. Or is it smarter, not harder? Something like that. When it comes to any line of work, working smarter and more efficiently beats working harder. In reality, working smarter is indeed working harder without the strain and frustration. Making sense? Well, this tool will allow you to work smarter and get more consistent results every time. See, you won't be dealing with, well, the chicken or the beef came out really great the last time, but I don't know what happened this time. With this little gadget, you can improve your results by a long shot. Remember, take care of your tools. The more you take care of your tools, the less money you spend on replacing them, thus allowing you to save more money to purchase other items. So, there you have it. 5 simple and important reasons why you should own a digital thermometer. So, if you don't own one yet, what are you waiting for? Go out and get one now. This is Dave. And this is Southbound Smoke.
Put some South in your mouth. This is Southbound Smoke.